A feeling of spaciousness greets you at the door, large living areas, well-designed and private master suite. Separate guest bedrooms and bath, tucked away laundry and open kitchen to dining, all in an exceptional one-level living. 2-car, no-step garage. The Preserve is a waterfront development minutes from downtown Oak Ridge, I-40, Turkey Creek and West Knoxville. Impressive mountain and park views throughout. Community amenities rival those of a posh resort, full-service marina, fitness center, indoor pool, hot tub, sauna and steam bath, huge beach entry outdoor pool with a spiraling tube slide, basketball, pickleball and tennis courts. For the avid fisherman or canoeist, there is a private boat ramp, dock and numerous fishing coves. Acres of natural preserves, walking trails and 5 miles of shoreline add to the resort ambience. Enjoy highly regarded, award-winning Oak Ridge schools. The Preserve is nestled between the Cumberland and Great Smoky Mountains. B-E-A-UTIFUL.